Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video Fast Track to Success Action Plan for Tax Professionals. I specialize in work with new business owners who are looking to make a career in the tax preparation industry for the first time. And so that's who my area of expertise is geared towards. To my coaching mentorship program is designed for them specifically, but I can help aspiring entrepreneurs who may already be in the industry working for a tax firm who's looking to go to the next level. I can definitely help them as well. So I have a fast action to success plan PDF. It's just a brief written description or a process that I start my clients off with that's designed to help them start from a very simple approach, because there's so much information involved in learning that we want to start from a simple approach and build on that. So on the screen, you're looking at all the different things we need to do in order to have a business put in place in the first place. We need to have an idea.me account, which gives us access to the e-file provider's application, which gives us the ability to create to get an EFIN, which stands for electronic filing identification number, which is the number we use to buy professional software with and register with the third-party banks that collect our fees on our behalf. So those are the basic essentials we need to have in place to be considered a tax service in the first place, while at the same time working on other aspects of starting and building the business is what we do simultaneously. So working with a mentor and a coach like myself, we're going to cover these things up top all the way down to the bottom. At the same time, we're going to get you into an income tax course that's going to allow you to learn the knowledge and skills to prepare taxes. We're going to help you choose the user-friendly professional software based on your budget that's right for you, that's affordable, that you can master and learn, that's easy to use, to do the work with. We're going to help set up your business entity information. We're going to help you with the business accounts, payment processors, all the different moving pieces that you need to have inside your business. We're going to walk you through helping you do all those things. Some of those things I actually do for the client, and some of those things I assist them in doing for themselves based on their ability to make it happen. So it's all about you having the ability to make it happen and being willing to go forward in a massive, productive way to get the results you want to have by starting your own business in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. So in this video, I'm going to leave you a link that's going to allow you to get the Fast Action Success Plan. It's short, it's not very long, because it's from a simple approach. You're going to give me your email address. It's going to send you the PDF for that. And then from there, you'll be on my email list where I can send you other tools and resources and information that may be helpful, especially if you're the person looking to start your own tax preparation business, but for whatever reason you haven't taken action. Maybe you have questions, concerns that you haven't found the right person you can talk to with who can answer those questions and concerns for you to make you feel comfortable with your decision to move forward. So if you haven't done that, I'm inviting you to reach out to me and call me at 773-782-1320. Give me permission to do so. My contact information is inside of all my videos on YouTube. My handle is called Coaching with Thomas. And so when it comes to starting a profitable tax preparation business for yourself, I help clients do that from A to Z. I give them 18 months access to work with me to build a solid foundation for success through a simple approach to getting started. There's so much information in this industry of tax preparation that we'll never learn it all and we'll never use it all. So I'm going to give you what you need to learn now, and we'll build on it as time goes on. And that's my approach to that. So if you want to get started and you want the Fast Action to Success guide, like I said, it's short because it's all about three aspects. It's about the training, the professional software, and some basic marketing, and some other stuff that I really can't talk about effectively without you at least calling me up and getting on the phone and asking me the questions, concerns you may have about starting in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. If that's what you're looking to do, that's what I specialize in helping people do. And so I can help you answer all the questions and concerns you will have. I can answer them all because I've been there and done that for people time and time again who find my video channel, who find my videos, who decide that they know, like, and trust me enough through my content to make me the one they want to work with, to take action with, and to move forward with it. So if that's you, the problem is we're in December. There's no way I can get you ready in time for the actual tax season starting, but we can still move forward with getting all the paperwork processed and put in and waiting for approval while you'll be working with me under my infrastructure where you can still go out and get clients and make money, and we'll do a revenue share split opportunity because I have a revenue share partner program that I'm implementing right now because it is so close to tax season started that I won't be able to have your credentials up and running in time because the length of time it takes to make it happen. We'll be pressing our luck on having you ready in time. So the fail safe is you'll work with me and you'll be able to go out and get clients, have them process with me together. We'll do a revenue split based on what tier you invest in. I mentioned that partnership revenue program inside of this fast action plan. But if you need to know more about that, get me on the phone, talk to me. Let me make it clear to you what this revenue share partner program is about and how it works and what's uniquely different about it, and see if there's something you want to start with, because it's going to allow you to make some money for the upcoming tax season, and it's going to give me time to work with you to get your credentials ready. That's going to be in your name moving forward, where you'll be doing business in your name uh, for the tax season for the remainder of the year. Because if we work year round from January to December 31st, we are year round tax service. We don't put ourselves in a box by working from January to April, trying to make all this realistic six-figure money that you won't make. The problem with the industry in general is that we have a whole lot of people advertising these programs about you making six figures, and the reality is people who have no prior training or experience won't make six figures because the learning curve that's involved in that, you will not be able to make that learning curve happen for yourself in the way you need to make it happen to make six figures in your first year, let alone in your career. And that's the sad part, is that they won't tell you that, because in their marketing message and their videos and their content is all designed to sell you on buying a program from them, when they know in their heart 9 out of 10 of you guys won't make six figures with working with these guys with their program. And so what I would suggest you do is that since they're leading with the money, I would tell you to ask them to show you the money. Meaning in the program that one of the people are advertising on Facebook, I would ask you and get on the phone with them if possible and say, hey, break this program down to me by the modules and show me what it's going to take for each one. Tell me what I'm going to have to do in each one to be able to position myself to make six figures working with you. And is that realistic to happen for me? And be honest when you tell me that. And so that's the type of honesty and integrity you want to be working with somebody who's going to tell you the truth about the realistic approach on what you'll be able to make being brand new with no experience at all. And because they use this as a reason to help sell you on joining their programs that you need zero experience. Yeah, that's for anything. If we try to learn something new, we have no experience in it. But what's your chance of being able to actually go out here and make six figures working in the business arena for the first time, learning how to prepare individual income taxes? Because see, they talking about teaching you business taxes, but there's no such thing as teaching you business taxes without teaching you how to do personal taxes. They are linked together. They go hand in hand, because they talk about partnerships 1065. They talk about S corps 1120S's. Those are pass-through entities where the net profit or loss from that will pass through your 1040 tax return. So they can't teach you how to do a business return without teaching you how to do a personal individual return. They go hand in hand. So that's the flaw in the whole concept, is that they're not being thoroughly transparent with you up front, so you can already know what it's going to take for you to succeed and be successful with the programs that they're advertising. They have people with bookkeeping programs making six figures. Everybody using the six-figure concept and zero experience needed to help you sign up for their programs, when less than 10% of you guys will even get close to six figures. And that's the reality of it all. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to say, hype. I'm not going to I'm not going to make a promise that I can't keep when it comes to my mentorship and coaching program that's designed to help fast track your success and get you to a place much more efficient and quicker than you can ever do by yourself, because you have someone that's guiding you through. You got someone that's going to share all my experiences, good, bad, and different, that's going to save you from the pitfalls of being in business and being a new business owner that you have no clue about. They're not even mentioning none of those things because they want you to experience those things as you go, which you will with me. But the bottom line is my message is not all about how much money you're going to make, knowing in my heart you're not going to get close to that. And I'll see you in my next video.